you need to understand there isn't the perfect headphone. For example, this is not the perfect type of headphones, but this is the best wireless headphone set that I found for me. So let me explain why. Well, first of all, I needed something that lasts forever. And when I mean forever, I mean let's say spend around 10 to 12 hours a day on my PC, and I'm tired of that cable just tangling and keeping me. I can't move from the PC because I need to be there. And yeah, autonomy, if you talk autonomy, they have 60-hour battery life. And also there is a bonus, because if you want headphones and you're not an audiophile, or if you are but you don't want to spend on Bang & Olufsen or Boss or whatever type of headphone, premium headphones, I mean, for really lots of money, then you're gonna look at the alternatives. And the alternatives in this case are there are a lot. I mean, without further ado, let's see why I choose these are my daily headphones. So I was talking about autonomy, 60 hours, yes. Also, fast pairing, also low latency. These have multi-point pairing, which means I can connect them to my phone, for example, or to another laptop, or for example to 2 laptops, which is really nice for me, and I can switch between them with a simple click of a button, which is really nice. That's why I also bought the Logitech MX Keys and Logitech MX Master, which are a really good pair of peripherals if we're talking mouse or keyboard. But without further ado, this is the unboxing and first impression of the Audio-Technica ATH-S220. In order for us to begin, we have this trusty hammer, MC hammer, if you know what I mean, and this trusty hammer has a little knife. So let's begin. I don't know where to begin. Let's see. To the unboxing experience. So this package can't hold. So for example, we still have instructions like any type of device you get in a box. And we have here, let's not forget, we have also some cables. So we have here USB-C to USB for your charging, and these are really small cables, but it doesn't matter because everybody's got at home at least one USB-C cable, and this is really nice with the Audio-Technica logo. Also we have here an audio cable with a built-in microphone on it. This is really nice. As you can see here, it's a corner. Yeah, and also you have here the microphone with a little button on it. Okay, let's move that out of the way. We have here the instructions. We don't need that. Let's move on. And the packaging, I gotta say, I'm not really excited about the packaging, but damn, these are really light. I mean, these are really light. Whoa. Let's see, how do they, oh. I really like the form factor, and of course I've looked it up. I saw some reviews online, and I've been looking for a pair of headphones for, I think, 3 months now, if I'm not mistaken. And these are the only ones that satisfied my requirements, which I mentioned earlier. They need to be long-lasting battery life, multi-device pairing, and also some decent quality, because everybody knows that you need some decent audio quality. Also, you have here 3 buttons for up, down, and a middle button. I don't really remember what's that for, but it's not gonna be a problem to find out. I like that these have a 90 degrees, so you can pack them up like this, so they don't take a lot of space. Also, these are really lightweight, 180 grams, if I'm not mistaken, which is, believe me or not, these are lighter than my phone. So come on. Headphones lighter than your phone, also packing 60-hour battery life. What do you want more? Let's see, do they do anything else? No. I like the cushion. The cushion for the headrest is really nice, and also the cushions around the ears. Let's see if I can put them on and see how, without having to do any setup or anything previously. and you get a voice in your headphones which mentions that Bluetooth is now connected. You hit done, and you can see here connected for calls and audio. 60% battery life, which is medium. It should hold enough. And let's see how well do they sound. And for that, let me put you on pause for a second. Okay, and we're back. And these are the Audio-Technica. They have a little LED here which glows, so you can see they are connected. And now let's make some audio testing. Let's go with some NCS songs because I love NCS, and also if you want to enjoy some no copyright music or sounds, you can just go to NCS. Damn, I gotta say, I don't know if the mic can pick these up.